Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shay with your Shade. And this week it's a little different. I'm going to show you how to flock a Christmas tree from the regular plain tree to a beautiful snow-like appearance. So here we go. So as you see here, I've already begun. You're gonna need three simple materials. You're gonna need a spray bottle to put the water in. You're gonna need a strainer, and you're gonna need snow flock. So the strainer I already had. Of course, the water bottle I also already had. You can get those from dollar store. The snow flock I actually got from Walmart. I got the original with the shimmers. It was only $24.95. So, just a quick backstory. I did not want to spend a whole bunch of money on a snow flock tree. If you look all over the internet, you're going to see it runs between $120 all the way up to even $350. So, I bought this tree from Walmart. It was only $89. It's a 7.5 foot tree. It is very tall. So, I just bought a plain one and I was like, you know what? I'm going to give this snow flock a try on my own. And here we are. So again, those three simple materials, you're gonna take the spray bottle, first spray the tree with water. It needs to have something to stick to. Then you're gonna take the strainer and then you're gonna pour the snow flock into the strainer and kind of just shake it across. You're literally gonna repeat this step over and over and over till it gets to the consistency that you like. So my method was just spray the whole entire tree down with water, get the strainer, shake the snow flock all over in layers. I had to actually go up the stairs to get to the top because again, this tree is 7.5 foot. I am only about 5'6". So yeah, this tree is very tall. Quick disclaimer. When you do this type of project, you want to do this either outside or in your garage. It is quite messy. I didn't really want to put this in my garage because it's quite wide. It wouldn't fit through my door once I flocked it. So I improvised and I put towels all over the floor so it would catch any of the flock that drops down so I wouldn't have too much to clean up later. So as you see here, I'm still on the stairs at the top of the tree. I wanted to put on as many coats of the snow flock. I wanted it to look like, a tree that's been snowed on. And the tree is already starting to look beautiful. I will admit this was a process. Making sure every branch got a little bit of snow flock on. As you see here, I done sat down so I can get in there.
2 hours later.
So it didn't really take that long, but yes, it did take a little bit of time. I would say between like 30 minutes, no more than that is about the time frame you'll need, because you're going to continue to just to spray, sprinkle the flock, and spray again and repeat the steps. At this point, I have lost count how many coats I have put on this tree. But the overall process looks absolutely beautiful. And just a few more sprays to lock in all the flock, make sure it's locked in place. And I let it kind of sit overnight just to make sure it stayed. I didn't want anything to fall off. Just be careful that you will have some fallout. And this stuff gets everywhere. And here is the finished product with the Santa theme decoration. I absolutely love it. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you, think naturally. If you enjoyed this type of video, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys again. Bye.